see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause take my hand and hold it.
Okay. How about honey? What? What's that? What's the hunt? You never been here before.
What am I doing here?
I don't know. Ask Johnny Boy. Mga tubig na naman ang mga nakikita ko. Mayroon doon. Mayroon
What am I
dito.
doing here?
Is it St. Kilda Hunt? Ayan. Patubig.
No, in 1 minute.
Mabaho yung tubig. Smells stinky.
Look at them over there too. There's one there, one there.
Oh, eto pala yung surprise ni Kylie sa mga bata. Dito tayo sa park.
Where can we park?
Oh, di ba
Is
nabaliw
this
na?
the water park?
No, it's not water park.
Don't take it off yet.
No.
Oh my god, look at that.
Oh my God.
I'm going on that first. Me
What?
too. Bye.
Wait.
Here,
You
here,
wait.
Mom. Here, Mom. Thanks, Dad.
Nabaliw yung mga bata, oh.
Oh, no. Stop.
Not yet. We have to park first.
I love this. Dad, thanks for showing us. She's gonna cry.
How about when you go on first, Jack?
Oh, that big thing there.
Calm down, please. Ando na si Zach. Wait! Si Zach. Parang nababaliw si Zach doon. Siguro may train na dumadaan dito kasi ayan. This is big slide. Oh. Papa! Baba, go there, Baba! Holly, go there! Hoy, Zachary! Oh, it's cold! And my ano dito, is that old boat, Kylie? Kylie, is that old boat? Nice view. Oh, my zip line. There's another slide over there, Kylie. See that? And doon magsi-zip line sila. Papa, wait for mommy. Good luck, Papa. Wait, Papa, wait. Who's that? Go, Zach. Bye, Zach. Okay, Mama, ready? Go, Mama. Hindi siya tapo. Boom! Hold on! Good job, Mama! One more para sa ni Holly. Ready? Ah! Good job, Mama! Go, Kuya! Go, niya rin dito sa malaki. Hold on, Baba! Go, Baba! Whoa! Go, Baba! Wait! 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 One more! You like it?
Yeah, I want to do it again.
Go swing with Daddy. Look at Daddy. Yeah! Dito naman tayo sa swing. Si Kobe, si Sak andun.
Oh, get high. High as you can.
So
Get up there. Come on, nothing's gonna happen. Come on.
Go, Sak! Go higher, Sak!
Get up there.
Doon naman si Sasha kasi Ollie. Si Kuya, takot siya. Nasaan na si Kuya? Where's Kuya? Ayaw niya sa swing kanina. There si Kuya. Oh, Sak! Go, Mama! Your butt's wet. Nick. Why? It's wet? Well, don't slide. You get dirty pads. All right, it will dry. See, it's gonna be yucky, Baba. Yeah, just run. Let me see your bum bum. Yep, dirty, wet. Go, Sak. Go, Sak, si Kuya na iyo. Oh! Come on! Just slide. Go. That's it? You got small shorts, yeah? Oh no, that's so dirty, Kuya. Ang dumi-dumi ng shorts. Oh my God, Holly, you're so dirty. Tingnan nyo na, ang dumi-dumi na nila.
Not that bad.
Let me see. Ayan, ang dumi-dumi na ng kanila. Come on. Let me see your bum-bum. Turn around. Show us. Hoy. Look. My God. Look at that hand. See? New. Wow. You're gonna wash it. I wish. No, Daddy will sit there. Go sit her hand. Si Kuya andun siya, oh. Hold on, Baba.
Woohoo, sugar! Zach, oh, you got some moves there, Zach.
Oh. Go there, yeah. Yeah.
You want to hop on first, mate?
Ayaw ni Kuya. Go, Baba.
DJ, you hop on and I'll spin around.
Sit down, Kuya. It's twisted, Kuya.
Make sure
Malulobat na ako. Okay, go! Hang on, Baba! Si Sophie nandun siya sa zipline. Oh! Ay! Oh! Oh my God!
Sometimes I watch the clouds.
Zachary, what are you doing?
To be stared at. They say my thoughts aloud. They
Go,
never
Baba. Hold on, Baba.
used to do that. My dreams smell just like pine, like something once forgotten. They feel just like they're mine.
Dito naman sila, oh.
But the wind
Wow,
blows
Zach,
in
you're so
like
fast! Kanina pa ito ginagawa ni Zach. Naupo lang kami doon sa may... Ito, kung nasan si Joe. Si Zach, kanina pa siya dito. Wow.
the rivers gave me my
Look at Zach, how fast he
The
is.
trees inspired me to grow. I feel so young that
Good job,
I could
Zach.
cry. I feel
Go back,
like
Zach. Can you do it?
indigo.
Back? Si Kuya Indo, si Kuya. Nagko-crawl. Kuya, do it! Come on! Come on! Go, Baba! Go, Zach! Look at Zacharian. Can you go back, Zach, or you're tired? Come on, Kuya, do it, yeah. You can do it, Kuya. Go, yeah. You can do it, yeah. Go, yeah. Nagpapahinga siya. That's cheating you, Kuya. Pang golf ka talaga, Kuya. Come on, let's go. We're going. May kukunin daw kami. Yung may in-order si Jan. Yung steering wheel ng boat. Naalala nyo yun? Yung gustong-gusto niya. Na-vlog ko ata yun. Mamaya, makikita nyo. I-pick up in-order na ni Jan. Si Kuya naman ang nasa car. Si Zach ang nandun kay Kobe. Sophie's still here with us. Malulobat na ako. Nalobat tayo, guys. Ayan. Punta natin kung saan pipick upin ni Jan yung steering wheels. Both steering wheels, right, babe?
Yeah.
Yeah.
A wall
A wall.
ornament like goes on the wall.
Ah,
What are you gonna put it in?
lalagay para sa wall.
Oh, yeah.
Hindi siya steering wheel para sa boat. Pero steering wheel siya ng boat. Pero pang wall. Gets nyo? Mamay, pakita ko na lang sa inyo. Tinanggal niya lang yung jacket niya kasi init na siya. Kasi medyo mainit, pero malamig yung hangin. Para sa akin, mas gusto ko pa rin mayroon akong jacket. Nihintay lang namin si Joe. Nawala namin si Joe eh. Pasok tayo dito sa Mountain Lakes. Dito ata ako pipick upin ni Jan yung sa ano niya, yung steering wheels. Ayun yung no, it's not. Ayun yung Coco. Mamaya balik tayo doon after ni Jan ma-pick up yung dapat niyang pick upin.
Shall we?
Yeah, we're just gonna wait for you.
3 o'clock, so
3 o'clock? What time is it now?
3 o'clock.
Yeah, it is 3 o'clock. So hintayin na lang natin si Jan. Ako naghihintay kami. Ayan. Si Kuya may apple. Ako ay may mandarin. Si Holly, ano yan? Monster Holly? Yeah. And ubos ko na yung orange. Nakalimutan ko, meron pala akong pie. Kainin na natin to. Ito yung custard pie from McDonald's. Nagugutom na ako. Kainin natin to. Sabi ni sa kanina, masarap daw to. Thank you pa. Ayan. Custard. Ayan na si Jan. Ayan na yung... Let me see!
Oh, here's my steering wheel, babe. Look at that. On the wall.
Oh my God.
Feature. Right.
Ewan ko sa'yo. Yun na yun, guys. Yan yung gustong-gusto niyang bilhin. So, alis na tayo. Nandito na pala si Zach at si Sophie nandun sa car nila. So, kompleto na yung anak namin dito sa car. And kukuha muna ako ng Coco. So, stop muna tayo dito. Kailangan kong dalhin yung phone. Go. Thank you. See ya. Thank you. Dito na tayo guys. Tingin ulit tayo ng caravan. Ito naman yung brand niya ay New Age. Tabat tayo dito. May papayong si kuya. Okay, come on. Oh, it's raining.
Unbelievable.
Yes, it's alright. Okay. Thank you. Okay. May payong tayo. Come on, Zach.
Are they in there, Zach?
Yeah, that's
Double.
been changed. It comes with 3. It's
Okay.
just been changed, that one.
Okay. So, ito yung double bed. Double bed yun. Tapos meron siyang 2 bunks. Sold? This is sold? Malaki yung toilet. Tsaka shower. Oh, thank you. And yung kanyang table. Ayan.
Pretty sure this is the one.
Like this, huh?
Yeah.
Where's the TV?
Here.
3 hand. This is nice. Look, see the toilet? It's bigger.
Yeah.
And shower. I think this is nice, huh?
Yeah.
Ito mga lalagyan ng gamit.
They go that way.
Okay. How you open? That way?
Yeah.
Okay. This is nice. Did they have oven? No oven. No oven?
Can you get like optional oven, like an oven?
Yeah, you can, yep.
Maganda yung kulay niya kasi white and
Semis enough.
may pagka black and gray.
I'm not doing all the big hell bloody.
But the oven, huh? Can we change the oven?
Yeah.
Yeah. Umbrella sa grabe, lakas na ng ulan.
What a friggin'
Thank
day.
you.
It's been beautiful all day.
Yeah, I know.
Washing machine, though.
Huh?
Comes with a washing machine.
Come with washing machine? Yeah, that's right.
2 bunks, this Norton would have 3, so this has been ordered with the 2, so.
Like the
Interior.
Leatherette, yep. So there's been an upgrade with it, yeah.
Yeah. Mas gusto ko na to. So, ito maganda rin to. Maganda rin siya. Yung kanina, wala yung washing machine. Yun
That's the
meron.
standard size fridge for it. You don't get any bigger.
You can if you want to go into build one.
Yeah.
Alright. It's bigger, right, hon?
Oh,
It's nice. Leather. Yeah.
And set up.
Kuha tayo ng brochure.
Manto is the first one you come to, so Manto A from.
Baba na tayo. Grabe, umuulan na. Dito na ulit tayo sa car. And, grabe, umulan siya. Oh, di ba kanina ang ganda ng weather? Hindi namin alam kung nasaan na sila, Kylie. Yes. Guys, dito tayo sa bahay na ni Blue Eyes. Dalhin ko yung aking taro. Ayan. Taro milk tea. And yung isa, regular. Meron pa akong isa. Dalhin ko to. Tsaka tong phone. Mayroon na silang fence. Before, wala silang fence dito. Ngayon, may fence na sila. Ayun, nakita nyo. Okay, umuulan na. Ayun, oh, may fence na sila. Nandito rin si Auntie Lian, yung kapatid ni Dad. Nice fence.
Yeah.
Hi! Say thank you to Auntie Lian. May pa-popcorn si Auntie Lian. Hi, Auntie. Oh, yeah. Good.
So they could have made the fence about.
Thanks, Dad.
Oh, honey. I know.
Like I went to come in here. Like,
Blue Eyes!
No, it's not blue eyes now.
Toy! Rylan! Rylan! Give me a kiss! Siya sa labas. Oh, ayan si Hunter. Hey, Rylan! Give me a kiss!
No.
Oh my God! Rylan, say hi to Uncle John!
Ay,
right.
Auntie Chona.
Give me a kiss, please.
Come to me.
Ano na siya? Palasagot na to.
Right.
Rylan, go to Uncle
I
John.
might kiss you.
Uncle John won't kiss you. Just hug. Come on. High five.
Just stay in the room.
High five to Uncle John. Oh, wash your hands because you had a dog. Holly, say hi to Pa.
What have you been doing?
Say hug Nana.
What did you
What have you
do?
been doing on your holidays?
Come here. No school? No kindy?
What'd you do, Kim? Where is he at? Playgroup.
Yeah, I think I don't know.
Childcare.
Childcare.
Yes, have two this child care.
Look at your eyes. Are they blue? Green?
No.
No.
Oh, they're going green.
Yeah.
Got pulled up there.
Give me a kiss.
Go play. Huh?
What's that?
3:15 I pulled
Give me
up.
a kiss, oh please.
Kiss and
Kiss and
kiss.
kiss Auntie Chona,
Then you go
please.
play with
Oh, you
Holly
can
now.
play with
Yeah.
Holly. Kiss me.
Usually got
Give me a kiss. Yan yung dalawa, kumakain sila ng cupcakes. Is it good? Good? Naglalaro sila dun sa room. Punta natin yung mga bata. Dito sila, oh. Nanunod. What are you watching? Ha? Oh, nanonood sila ng Minecraft. Andito sila. Si Willow at saka si Dasha kasi Tilana. Wala sila dito. Yes, yeah. Where is it? Find it. Find it. Come on. Yeah, find it. Alis na tayo. And si Hunter, may laro siya. Pero hindi kayo manunod kasi balik na kami sa hotel kasi naghihintay din sila. Kylie dun sa amin. Ayan si Kuya. Good luck, Hunter, good luck.
I will win.
Careful. Good luck.
I will win.
You will win. Alright. Mananalo raw siya. Say thank you. And ayan yung fence nila, o bagong fence. Hindi pa tapos kasi maglalagay pa dyan ng pintuan. Tsaka doon. Say hi, vlog. Go. Look at me. Here, say hi, vlog. Hi, vlog. Look at them. Say hi. Baba. Ay, Baba. Hey. Ryan, say hi, vlog. Here, look at here. Say hi, vlog. Hi, vlog. Look at me.
Zach, is there any cars coming up that hill quick?
Can you see some? No.
That
Yeah.
have a tiny bit more.
Oh, careful, Han. My God. Parang, hinit mo na yung curve.
Then we have a
So, balik na tayo sa hotel.
Cars?
No cars here.
Tell me what you do on a Sunday. I'm tired of all these Friday nights, and if we're through, I'll go my way. I'd like it if you stay a while. Just up in these sheets, the city and fall asleep. I'm just getting started with you. Roll me something sweet, you're tripping all over me. I can't get enough.
Dito na kami, guys. Ay, nakatulog yung sisak. Pero sinasabi, hindi daw siya nakatulog. Si Kuya tulog, si Holly. Tinatawagan lang sila, Kylie. Dito tayo sa Comfort Inn. Dito na pala si Sophie sa kwarto namin and si Kobe and si Holly. Pagod siya. Ayan, oh. And ako, mag-edit ako kasi wala akong inedit gabi. So, wala akong vlog today. So, mag-edit ako. Hindi ko pa alam kung ano ang dinner nila. Ako, nag-order ako sa Uber Eats na Nando's. So, nang in-order ko siya, sabi 45 minutes. So, ngayon,
What are we having?
ilang minutes pa ba? 35 minutes pa. So, mag-edit muna ako, guys.
You're not.
Ayan. Nagpa-book si dyan sa Watermark. Yung pagkain kong Nando's, hindi niya kasi alam kung anong gagawin. Sabi ko, mag-Nando's ako. Tapos sabi niya kanina, pizza. Sabi ko, ayoko mag-pizza, mag-Nando's ako.
Yeah.
Tapos, ayan. Nagpa-book na lang siya sa Watermark. Yung
Well, they're
aking
fresh. Don't you have all them yet?
order, 4 minutes pa.
Where's your jumper?
So, siguro bukas ko lang kainin si Nando's kasi gusto ko rin yung Watermark. Is it Watermark? Masarap din kasi ang pagkain sa Watermark. Lalo na yung yung tahong. Ay, mamaya tayo mag-edit. Meron akong na-edit siguro mga 5 minutes.
Different socks.
Yung mga bata na bihis. Si Holly ayaw niya magbihis. Ang dumi ng niya, pants. Ayaw niya magbihis. Si Kuya nagpants. Change your pants, Baba. Here. Yeah, the good one here. Because look at your pants, Baba. It's yucky. Ayan, napalitan ko siya. Pants. Oy, kasi pinicturean ko para siyang may pupus sa kanya. Tingnan nyo naman kung gaano siya kadumi. Oh. Diba? Sa slide to kanina. So, alis na tayo. Dito na yung food ko. Go get it, Isaac. Thank you. Thank you. Okay na. Ito na yung aking nandos. So, sarap pa naman ito. Pero gusto ko rin mag-tahong. So, at least bukas may lunch na ako. Ayan si Holly. Oh. Diba? Napalitan natin siya. Dito na tayo, guys. Ayan yung mga seafood. Tingnan nyo yung salmon nila. Oh. Sarap. Thank you. Yes, baby, we're coming there. And a little bit of rice. Thank you. So, ayan, kain na tayo. Ito yung tahong, tsaka yung shrimp. Tapos yung pansit, si John roast beef. Ayan kay Holly. And ayan. So, kain muna kami, guys. Naubos ko na. Kuha ulit tayo. Ang sarap. Round 2. So, ito yung round 2. Kumuha ulit ako ng noodles. Tapos yung tahong or mussels. And isda. Yung baked na salmon ulit. Tapos kumuha ko yun na chicken curry. Tapos ito. Kain. Si Jan, round 2 na rin siya. Pizza. And garlic bread, chips. Second plate na pala si Kuya. Ang layo ni Kuya andun. Si Sak, naka-2 plate na rin siya. Lahat kami naka-second plate na. Dessert na si Johnny Boy.
That's
What's
chocolate
that?
pudding.
Chocolate pudding.
I'll get a Scotch one in a minute.
And then what's this one on ice cream?
Oh, sure, yeah.
Jelly. There's no. Oh, this is yours.
Oh,
Yours. Oh. Ayan kay Holly. Strawberry. Round 2 si Johnny Boy sa dessert. Sticky day?
yeah.
Yeah. Si Sak, jelly. Si Kuya. What did you get, Kuya? Ice cream. Ganyan yung ginagawa niya, oh. Samahan ko siya. Gusto niya raw kumuha ng jelly. Okay. Alright. No, just one. Okay. So, ito yung mga dessert. Kuha tayo na. No, I'll get this one. Wait, Baba, wait. I'll try this one. Mga assorted na slices na siya, oh. Wait, baby, wait, baby. I'll try this one. You want jelly? Madami pa, oh. Ayan, oh. Oh. Alright, alright. Jelly's here, Baba. Here. Ito yung kinuha ni John kanina, yung chocolate. Tapos ito yung sticky date. And meron din silang mousse. Where's the jelly? Here. Pink one? Okay. Hindi niya alam kung paano i-stop itong machine na to. Tingnan niyo yung nakuha niya. Ang dami. Hindi pa siya tapos. Super panic siya dyan sa chocolate. Look at Kylie. No! She couldn't stop! She couldn't stop!
Yeah, where'd you get the chocolate one?
On the other side. So, ito yung dessert na kinuha ko. Ang kay Kali, ayun.
Garlic.
Yeah.
I tried to try it.
How is it? Ito pala yung kinuha ni Jan sa akin na drink. Instead of lemon, lime, and bitters, kinuha niya ko na dead lizard ang tawag dito. Ano siya? Raspberry and Coke combination. Tapos na tayo mag-dinner. Ngayon, balik na ulit tayo sa hotel. Sobrang busog ako. Ay, wait, wait! Alams na coffee para bukas kay Johnny Boy. So, stop tayo dito sa Star Mart bago pumunta sa hotel. Yan na siya. Kumuha siya ng, how many coffee? 2?
Dalawa.
Dalawang coffee daw. This, mayroon pa tong konti, oh. You still have a little bit here, hon.
Mom, count it to Filipino.
Daddy can speak a little bit.
10. Mom,
Hon, why your mask is here? You're supposed to be
Oh,
here.
don't worry about it.
Basta makamas lang talaga siya.
Kids down in the back there. So.
Dito na kayo sa hotel and si Sak tsaka si Sophie gusto mag-popcorn. Where's Solid Girl? Kuya? So dito kami lahat sa kwarto namin. Ayan. And tinitingnan ni Kylie yung kinuha naming brochure sa New Age.
Hey, come here.
Yung caravan. Guys, 11:36 na.
now, so
Ka-
good vlog. Thank you.
Kaalis lang nila, Kylie.
Thank you guys.
Let's close the vlog. Okay, thank you.
guys. Please like, subscribe, and see you next vlog. Bye.
Good night. Good night, guys. Thank you. Tapos na ako mag-edit. Ina-upload ko na rin siya. So, good night, guys.
This